Hi, I'm Dan. I'm no professional chef, but I have a passion for food and I love cooking. So join me in my kitchen as we're going guns blazing. Yeah!
What's up, guys? Welcome to Gunz Blazin Cooking, and I'm going to be making my Mozzarina sauce. It is extremely simple. My mother made it for me as a kid, so let's get started. Let's go guns blazing. So over here we have a fresh mozzarella ball. I'm going to use two today. Fresh basil. I got my plant here. Cherry tomatoes, fully ripe, nice red ones. Fresh garlic, one garlic clove, and fusilli pasta. You can use any pasta you want. Preferably you can use a shorter pasta. It's probably better with this dish, but you can use long as well. I washed, drained the tomatoes, cleaned them up. I have 2 containers of cherry tomatoes you can get at your local grocery store. So you want to make sure that pan is really hot. On with the olive oil. Let them go. Leave them whole. Let these tomatoes roast. That's the sound you want to hear. You want to hear that sound. Let those go. Put them on a medium-high right now. Get that oil all on top of the tomatoes. Sucks in all that flavor. Season. Close the lid and wait for the magic to happen. Let them steam, probably for an estimated 20 minutes, let's say. Let them go. And as they're gonna get soft, and then I'll show you after what's gonna happen. So once you see that the tomatoes are starting to blister, this is the most exciting part about this. You guys love mashed potatoes? Well, this is literally the same thing. You pretty much start mashing your tomatoes. Just like that. Start mashing them up. You can also use regular Roma tomatoes, or you can use any tomato you want. I find that the cherry tomatoes are a lot sweeter. I've already started boiling some water, ready to go. I'm gonna season it. Let all those flavors simmer down. Beautiful. So as that's going, my pasta is almost ready to go in. Water is boiling. I seasoned it. Just let that go now. Now normally this pasta is ready. It says 13 minutes. You want to pull it off a little bit al dente, a little hard, because we're going to be incorporating it all in the sauce later and letting the cheese melt. So always go a couple minutes before. As the sauce is cooking and the pasta is cooking, I'm going to pull out my fresh Buffalo Mozzarella and my fresh basil. Let's get those chopped up. Buffalo Mozzarella balls. And it has to be this, guys. It's like, I can't express to you how important it has to be fresh Buffalo Mozzarella. It'll make the dish. So let's just get this chopped up. Okay, so once the cheese is all chopped up, I'm gonna put it into a bowl because I'm gonna season it. I have a bunch of basil. What you want to do with the basil, you kind of want to make like a little cigar. You want to roll it up. Roll it up into like a little cigar. I love cigars, by the way. Put the basil with the cheese. Incorporate them all together. Okay. Give it a quick mix. So your cheese and your basil is seasoned and ready to go. So just keep it off to the side for now. Pasta is absolutely ready to go. Try to take all the water out of it. As much water as possible. You don't want it to be too watery. We eat a lot of tomato sauce. We make our homemade sauce. But this is also another good way to eat the pasta. It's fresh. Mixing that all together. So it's chunky, it's sweet, it's almost like a bruschetta pasta almost. Those tomatoes just make this so good. I've turned down the gas now to simmer. Keep it nice and low. So I just mix the pasta in with the tomatoes. Now the most exciting part is we're gonna add our basil and our fresh cheese into this. And we're just gonna let it melt. Look at that. Oh my God. I'm ready to die and go to heaven. And keep it covered over the stove and just let the magic happen. I took the lid off, 5 minutes, I let it melt, and this is what happens. The cheese is all melted and your pasta is ready. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Something so simple, half an hour of your time, and you make that. Absolutely delicious. I'm gonna start crying in happiness. So there you have it, guys. Something so simple to make, literally done in half an hour. You can do it at home. Anybody can do this. Just follow my recipe. If you guys like what I'm doing, subscribe, like it, and we will see you guys next week for the next video. Thank you, guys.